Hey guys, Chef Jason Morris hanging out here today at one of my local Ace Hardwares in LaGrange Park, Illinois, getting ready for a fun, fast, and easy, but absolutely amazing turkey tip today. That's right, we're getting ready to talk turkey on the Traeger, but you've always wondered, like, how do I protect my turkey? How do I add that little bit extra? Well, today we're gonna grab 2 pounds of bacon, thick cut. We're gonna show you how to weave a bacon blanket. That's right, we're gonna show you a fun, easy way to cover that turkey with bacon and make it just absolutely epic. Let's get cooking. The first thing you're gonna need to do in this process, right? Grab your turkey, pick your size that fits your needs, that gives you a little bit of leftovers too, right? Because that's important. Grab yourself an Ace bucket and a brine bag. Grab a brine, one of your favorite brines, because step one in the insurance policy is gonna be making sure we brine that turkey to give it just an absolutely crazy good amount of flavor and moisture. Now we'll dig in, we'll talk a little bit about that bacon weave, and we'll show you how to weave your bacon blanket. Chef's tip of the day, want to make that bacon blanket easier to take from the cutting board to the turkey? Go ahead and put it on either some plastic wrap or some aluminum foil. That is going to make it super easy. Now, we went ahead and laid out 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces of bacon vertically. Now it is time to weave them horizontally. So I put that guy there, one up, one down, one up, one down, one up, one down, and so on. Start it that way. Now the next guy goes this way. One up, one down, one up, one down, up, down, and so on and so forth. Now what I'll do, give that guy a little stretch, make sure it covers the whole way. Now, I'm gonna repeat this process until I have the weave going, starting here, 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 and back. We'll get that all weaved up, and then I'll meet you at the Traeger when it's time to get this blanket off the foil and onto our turkey. I always like to let my turkey go for a few hours ahead of time, right? Because look at that. I want to give it that beautiful, beautiful wood-fired smoke. And now it is time to get over here. We've got our bacon blanket set, and watch this. What I will do, tuck that guy that way, flip that over that way, and now she is all tucked in and ready to go. All right, you have a decision to make. Now that it is all covered in bacon and ready to go, you can leave it like that, allowing those juices to run off and go into your grease bucket. Or if you're catching everything for bacon, go ahead and put it in a pan. Now you've got that beautiful, beautiful wood smoked bacon and bacon flavored gravy. Well, there you have it. Another tasty and beyond helpful tip to help you master turkey on the Traeger. Hey, I'm Chef Jason Morris, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. For more recipes, tips, advice, and tasty things like this, be sure to subscribe to the Ace Hardware YouTube channel. And we'll see you soon at your local Ace Hardware.